Welcome to Car Culture Club, your ultimate destination for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest news, reviews, and in-depth features from around the car world. Today, we're diving into the expected specs and features of the upcoming 2026 Skoda Kushaq American version, a model that's set to make a mark in the compact SUV segment with its smart design, enhanced capabilities, and refined engineering. The 2026 Skoda Kushaq is expected to be an Americanized version of the successful compact SUV already sold in international markets, specifically tailored to meet the preferences and regulations of the US market. With a slightly larger body structure, the American version is likely to get a more muscular stance with enhanced bumpers, a wider grille, and possibly increased ground clearance to appeal to SUV lovers in the States. It might also sit on an updated version of the MQB A0iN platform, which is specially adapted for emerging markets but refined further for improved safety and performance. Under the hood, we anticipate the Kushaq will feature a 1.5-liter TSI turbo-petrol engine producing around 150 horsepower, coupled with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. There's also speculation about a possible mild hybrid system to boost efficiency, especially with growing demand for greener mobility. While all-wheel drive might not be standard, front-wheel drive is almost certain, with potential AWD available on higher trims. Expect a refined suspension setup for both urban and light off-road duties, tuned to suit American driving conditions. In terms of interior features, the 2026 Kushaq is expected to offer a premium cabin with high-quality materials, a new digital cockpit, a larger infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a more connected driving experience with Skoda's latest tech suite. The vehicle will likely offer features such as ventilated seats, a sunroof, ambient lighting, and a premium audio system. Passenger comfort and practicality remain top priorities, so you can expect good rear seat space, ample cargo capacity, and multiple storage options throughout the cabin. When it comes to safety, Skoda is likely to load the Kushaq with advanced safety features including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, hill hold assist, a rear-view camera, and advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. With stricter regulations in the US, Skoda will make sure the Kushaq meets or exceeds all federal safety standards. The 2026 Skoda Kushaq American version is shaping up to be a strong contender in the compact SUV market with a solid balance of performance, technology, and practicality. Whether you're a city driver or a weekend explorer, this car could offer something for everyone. If you love cars as much as we do and want to stay updated with more automotive content like this, don't forget to subscribe to